Alright, so similar idea as the previous slide is that we want to find the equation of a line using the point slope formula, but what they give us 2 points. Remember, the reason that this is called point slope formula is because I need a point and I need a slope. Well, we've got a point, we have 2 points. What we don't have is slope. So we're going to start off, we're going to find the slope. So remember from first section there, our slope is going to be from section 2.4. Our slope will be our y minus y, subtract our y's, and then our x minus our x's. So our slope would be 5 over negative 4. So now negative 5 over 4 is our slope. It doesn't matter which point you choose whichever one you want. So I just chose that one for convenience. And now I'm ready to plug into my point slope formula. So this would be y minus negative 1 is equal to negative 5 over 4 x minus 3. I close that out. Let's get that black. I close that out. Alright, so same deal. I go ahead and I don't have any negatives here to simplify, but maybe as I'm doing my distributive property right here, I see I have 2 negatives, which will make a positive. I distribute that negative 5 fourths, so negative 5 fourths x. A negative times a negative is a positive, and you can use your calculator for that or whatever you want. So, but check that out, make sure you're good with that. Alright, remember now we solved this thing for y, we got to put it into slope-intercept form first. So at this point we're looking at y, our 1's cancel, is equal to negative 5 fourths x plus, or maybe minus, let's see. So we pull out our calculator, we go to our home screen, second quit, there we go. Alright, and we're doing 15 over 4, take away 1, and we get 11 over 4. So that guy right there, that is, remember, my slope-intercept form. Just in case, let's go ahead and put that thing in standard form. So to put it in standard form, that means we're going to move all of our x's to one side. So we add 5 fourths x. So now we have 5 over 4x plus y is equal to, those cancel, 11 over 4. But remember, when we go back to this, remember I talked about how when we're doing standard form, they don't want any fractions and they don't want a coefficient to be negative in the front there. So in this case here, our coefficient out in front is a fraction. So we need to go ahead and clear our fractions by multiplying everybody by 4. When I multiply the first one times 4, that gives me 20 over 4x plus 4y equals 44 over 4. Now, you might simplify that differently. You know, I chose just to write it out like that and just do it real quickly in my head, because now what happens is this 4 goes into 20 5 times. I get 5x plus 4y equals 11. And that is standard form. Alright, so that's how, if I gave you 2 ordered pairs and told you to find the equations, that's how we would handle that. We'd have to find that slope first.